Jewel here with Caster Concepts, answering the question today of what caster can carry 5,000 pounds and still be maintenance free. Caster Concepts has developed a maintenance free heavy duty caster using our 90 series swivel section. However, it will have a maintenance free bearing so that it can carry 5,000 pounds with, depending on which wheel you put into the caster, and be completely maintenance free. Recently had a customer reach out to me with a sandblast environment that had kingpin casters, they were having issues with the swivel sections binding up. So we offered them the maintenance free swivel section so that they can continue to use the heavy duty casters and no longer have to maintain them and worry about sand getting into the swivel section. To find out more about this caster, you can check out our learning center on our website at casterconcepts.com.